Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'll teach you 100 super basic English words. Words you can see, touch, and use every single day. Let's learn English the fun way, with pictures and real-life examples. Ready? Let's go. Window, window. Door, door. Table, table. Chair, chair. Bed, bed. Lamp, lamp. Phone, phone. Computer, computer. TV, TV. Bag, bag. Pen, pen. Pencil, pencil. Book, book. Notebook, notebook. Clock, clock. Key, key. Bottle, bottle. Glass, glass. Cup, cup. Spoon, spoon. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Bread, bread. Egg, egg. Milk, milk. Water, water. Coffee, coffee. Tea, tea. Orange, orange. Rice, rice. Boy, boy. Girl, girl. Man, man. Woman, woman. Baby, baby. Hand, hand. Face, face. Eye, face. Nose, nose. Mouth, mouth. Home, home. Kitchen, kitchen. Bathroom, bathroom. Bedroom, bedroom. School, school. Park, park. Street, street. Store, store. Bus, bus. Car, car. Shirt, shirt. Pants, pants. Shoes, shoes. Socks, socks. Hat, hat. Jacket, jacket. Dress, dress. Bag, bag. Watch, watch. Glasses, glasses. Cat, cat. Dog, dog. Bird, bird. Fish, fish. Cow, cow. Horse, horse. Chicken, chicken. Lion, lion, tiger, tiger, red, red, blue, blue, green, green, yellow, yellow, black, black, white, white, circle, circle, square, square, triangle, triangle, star, star, run, run, walk, walk, sit, sit, stand, stand, eat, eat, drink, drink, read, read, write, write, open, open. Now it's your turn. Find the next words yourself and write them in the comments. This will also help improve your writing skills. Close, close, happy, happy, sad, sad, hot, hot, cold, cold, big, big, small, small, fast, fast, slow, slow, good, good, bad, bad. You just learned 100 real, everyday English words with pictures. Watch this video again, repeat after me, and use these words in your life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm here to help you learn English step by step. See you in the next video.